Is your home a mess? Well, it's time to upgrade your home with some game-changing organizing gadgets for 2025. So, without any further ado, let's dive in. Food storage bags. Say goodbye to bulky containers and hello to space-saving food storage bags. These reusable, airtight bags keep your snacks, fruits, and leftovers fresh for longer while reducing kitchen clutter. Perfect for meal prepping, these bags are leak-proof and eco-friendly. No more food waste or messy fridges, just seal, store, and save. Sliding cabinet basket organizer. Maximize your cabinet space with this sliding basket organizer. Designed for easy access, it slides smoothly to let you reach even the deepest corners of your kitchen or bathroom cabinets. No more digging through messy stacks. Just pull out the basket and grab what you need. Ideal for storing spices, toiletries, or pantry essentials. Wall-mounted aluminum shoe organizer. Free up your floor space with this sleek, wall-mounted shoe organizer. Made from durable aluminum, it holds your shoes securely while keeping them off the ground. Hanging jewelry organizer. No more tangled necklaces or missing earrings. This hanging jewelry organizer keeps your accessories neat and visible. With multiple pockets and hooks, it's perfect for storing rings, bracelets, and even sunglasses. Just hang it on your closet door or wall, and your jewelry collection stays organized and tangle-free. Large clear acrylic riser. Make the most of your shelf space with this clear acrylic riser. Its transparent design lets you see everything at a glance, while the sturdy structure keeps your essentials neatly stacked. Great for organizing kitchen spices, beauty products, or collectibles. Stove-top shelf. Turn your stove into extra storage space with this stove-top shelf. It's perfect for keeping salt, pepper, cooking oils, or utensils within easy reach. Made with heat-resistant materials, this shelf maximizes unused space while keeping your kitchen essentials right where you need them. Caboodle kit. A blast from the past, but better. The Caboodle kit is a chic, compartmentalized storage box perfect for makeup, skincare, or crafting supplies. With multiple sections, it keeps your essentials organized and portable. Take it on the go or keep it on your vanity. Either way, it's a stylish and functional addition to your home. Hair accessories organizer. Messy hair clips, lost scrunchies? Not anymore. This hair accessories organizer has dedicated slots for headbands, clips, bobby pins, and more. Keep your vanity or bathroom clutter-free while making it easy to grab your favorite hair accessories in seconds. No more last-minute searching before heading out. Stackable storage drawers. For small spaces, stackable storage drawers are a lifesaver. These modular space-saving drawers fit anywhere, under your desk, in closets, or even in the bathroom. Perfect for clothes, office supplies, or beauty products. They help you stay organized without taking up extra space. Just stack, store, and declutter. Clothes storage bins. Seasonal clothing piling up? These clothes storage bins make organizing effortless. With sturdy fabric and collapsible design, they keep your clothes dust-free and neatly packed. Perfect for underbed storage or stacking in your closet. Say goodbye to cluttered wardrobes and hello to stress-free organizing. Sink topper foldable cover. Make your kitchen sink double as counter space with a sink topper foldable cover. This sturdy, waterproof cover extends your workspace for chopping, prepping, or holding dishes. Perfect for small kitchens, it's a genius way to create more room when needed. Simply fold and store when not in use. Glass spice jars with labels. Give your kitchen a modern aesthetic upgrade with glass spice jars with labels. These sleek, uniform jars make organizing spices a breeze. No more mismatched containers, just neatly labeled jars that keep your seasonings fresh and your kitchen Instagram-worthy. Cooking has never been this organized. Shower door hooks. Say goodbye to wet towels and cluttered bathrooms with shower door hooks. These sleek, rust-resistant hooks easily attach to your shower door, giving you instant space to hang towels, loofahs, and robes. No more draping towels over the door or on the floor. Just hook, hang, and keep things dry. D-Moose cable box. Messy cables? Not anymore. The D-Moose cable box hides those tangled cords and power strips in a sleek, compact case. Perfect for desks, TV stands, or workstations, this organizer keeps your space neat while preventing dust buildup and accidental unplugging. A clutter-free setup for a stress-free mind. Zipper mesh pouch. Keep small essentials neatly stored with the zipper mesh pouch. Ideal for travel, office supplies, or makeup, these pouches make it easy to organize loose items. The breathable mesh design lets you see what's inside at a glance, so you never have to dig through your bag again. Lightweight, durable, and multi-purpose. Yoga mat rack. Tired of your yoga mat rolling around? The yoga mat rack is here to help. This wall-mounted or freestanding rack keeps your mat, foam rollers, and resistance bands neatly stored. Say goodbye to tripping over your workout gear, store it stylishly, and keep your space clutter-free. Water bottle organizer. Stack, store, and organize your bottles with the water bottle organizer. Whether it's reusable bottles, tumblers, or sports shakers, this rack holds them securely while maximizing cabinet space. No more bottles toppling over when you open the cabinet. Just grab and go with ease. Hanging shower caddy. Declutter your shower with the hanging shower caddy. This space-saving organizer hangs over the shower head or door, keeping shampoo, soap, and razors within reach. Designed with rust-proof material and built-in drainage, it keeps your bathroom looking fresh and tidy every day. Over-the-toilet storage cabinet. Utilize unused space with the over-the-toilet storage cabinet. This sleek, space-saving unit provides extra shelves for towels, toiletries, and bathroom essentials. Perfect for small bathrooms, this cabinet turns empty wall space into practical storage while adding a touch of elegance. Under sink organizer. Maximize storage under your sink with this under sink organizer. Whether in the kitchen or bathroom, this tiered shelf creates extra space for cleaning supplies, toiletries, or extra sponges. No more chaotic cabinets, just smart storage that makes everything easy to find. Document box. Keep your important papers safe and organized with a document box. Whether it's bills, contracts, or personal records, this sturdy box protects documents from dust and damage. With secure locking options and labeled sections, you'll always know where to find what you need. Under desk drawer organizer. Need extra storage for your workspace? The under desk drawer organizer attaches beneath your desk, creating a hidden space for office supplies, notes, or gadgets. Perfect for home offices or study areas, this sleek drawer keeps your workspace clutter-free without taking up any surface space. Laundry hamper with drawers. Sort and store your laundry efficiently with a laundry hamper with drawers. This multi-compartment hamper lets you separate whites, colors, and delicates in one neat unit. No more laundry piles, just an easy-to-use, stylish solution for keeping clothes in check. Cord organizer. Tangled cables ruining your desk aesthetic? The cord organizer keeps your charging cables, headphones, and power cords neatly aligned. With adhesive backing and flexible slots, it sticks to any surface, making it easy to grab the right cord without the mess. A must-have for any tech setup. Plastic storage bins. Declutter your space with plastic storage bins. These sturdy, stackable bins are perfect for organizing toys, clothes, pantry items, and more. Their durable design keeps your belongings dust-free while making everything easy to find. Whether for your bedroom, kitchen, or garage, these bins are a storage lifesaver. And that's it. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more organizing hacks and home solutions.